Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Calphalon Bulk One Espresso Machine. The perfect size espresso machine. This is quick, pulls shots without clogging, and the steam wand works super well. I recommend putting a splash of milk in the cup before the espresso drips into it so it doesn't get too bitter. Keeping the wand at the surface of the milk and angling the milk cup is how you make foam. The Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine with steam wand features thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control to evenly heat during the espresso extraction, and pre-infusion to bloom the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. With conveniences like steam wand, auto shot volumetric control, and cup warming tray, you can experience consistently delicious espresso at home. Includes stainless steel milk pitcher, tamper, and cleaning pin. 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. Dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and pre-programmed single and double shots. Thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control delivers even heat for consistently great tasting espresso, and pre-infusion gently blooms the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. Cup warming tray for espresso ready cups and steam wand froths milk for creating cappuccinos, lattes, and other drinks, just like in coffee shops. Our second best espresso machine under $500 is Ubano Espresso Machine. This machine was well thought through. The steam wand design makes it very easy to clean and has a spot to put the pin to clean the hole should it get clogged. The steamer also worked very well. The froth on my latte lasted through the entire cup. Ubano Espresso Machine with 15-bar pressure, easy to use, you can be a barista and brew favorite espresso at home. Built-in pressure gauges, you can know the accurate pressure and help you in consistently brewing great espresso. Espresso maker comes with steam wand, you can enjoy cappuccino and latte with creamy and rich foam at any time at home. 37 ounces large and transparent water tank with detachable design, makes it easy to fill water. Detachable frothing nozzle and drip tray for easy cleaning. Compact design won't take too much space. Third choice in our list is Gaggia RI 9380 Espresso Machine. Gaggia Classic Pro is one of the finest models of espresso machines by Gaggia. The commercial grade steam wand helps you brew barista style drinks, and upgraded pump mounts reduce the noise produced during frothing and brewing. The stainless steel brushed casing of Gaggia Classic Pro makes it durable and easy to clean. It comes with a perfect dimension and 20 pounds weight that can be easily placed at your kitchen counter. For details, let's watch more.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a flat white on a Gaggia Classic Pro. This is the newest model with a manual steam wand. So also what I'm going to be using today, a Baratza Sette 270 grinder. Really like this grinder, nice fluffy grind. The coffee I'll be using, Maroma's Orfea. It's a nice Italian style bean blend, makes a lot of crema. So let's go ahead and get started. So you always want to leave your portafilter locked in so it's warm. So I've got that. I'm going to take that. Now I've already dialed in my coffee and I know to get about 17 grams, it's 4 seconds on the Sette 270. So I'll just press the button there. Really like this grinder, nice fluffy grinds there. I'm going to use a jack leveler to compress and level out my coffee. Lay that in there and spin that. Really like the jack here. It's got an adjustable, easily adjustable depth. Very nice, easy to use. You can see, makes a really nice level compression of the coffee there. So we'll lock that in. I'm using it's about a 6-ounce cup here. So I'm gonna do a double shot right into there, again with a 17 grams. So to get my shot going, just gonna press the brew button there. Yeah, we'll have a look at this come. And I'm looking for 2 ounces, that's about 60 milliliters in my cup. And you see that really nice, lovely crema dripping out there nicely. You take a look at that stuff. This shot's gonna run about 20, 25 seconds here. And that should be good there. So right from there, I'm gonna turn my steam on right here. It takes about 45 seconds for it to get up to steam temperature. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna use some nice whole milk. I like the whole milk for sweet, creamy flavor. I'm using a Radaware latte art pitcher here. Now I'm not gonna pour any art on this. And I know that for my purposes in this drink, I need to go about, just a half an inch or so below where the spout starts. So here we go. There's our nice espresso. Oh, look at that crema. It really makes nice crema. The aroma's Orphea. Now, a little trick with this, what you can do is try and hit the steam on, or start steaming before the actual steam ready light comes on here. That'll keep the heating element on, maybe give you a little bit more steam power. You don't have to do that. One thing you do want to do is definitely always purge your wand. Now, the light just came on, it's ready. So I'm going to purge any moisture out of the wand there. Got that out. Then I'm going to put the tip just below the surface of the milk here and turn my steam on. Now the tip position, that's going to help get a little air in. What I'm going to do is keep adding air until the outside of the pitcher just starts to warm. So I'm maybe just lowering the pitcher a little bit as the milk expands there. Pitcher is just starting to get warm, so I'm going to lower that tip down. Now I'm just going to continue heating the milk without adding more air, and I like that nice roll that's happening there. Until the outside of the pitcher is just too hot to hold. That's about 140 Fahrenheit. That's what I like. Then we're going to wipe the wand. Always purge your wand after steaming. And I'll shut my steam off in a minute. We're going to come back, cool down the boiler. I'll show you how to do that. So there's our milk. And if you've got any excess air bubbles you don't want in that, you just give it a few taps and swirls. And what you're looking for is something that looks a little bit like latex paint in a can. It's got that nice shiny surface. So from there, I'm just going to do a pour. Now again, I'm not going to do any art here. I'm going to pour that right in the center, and then just let a little bit of that foam on top. And there you go, a nice, beautiful, flat white. Let me take a taste here. That's delicious. So now you want to cool down the boiler. So I've got another steaming pitcher here. You could do it right into the drip tray if you want. So I'm going to do, I already turned my steam off. Now I'm just going to open the steam wand and turn on the brew switch until I get a stream.
Number 4 in our side is Jevi Espresso Machine. It makes tasty, hot coffee. Very easy to use. I'm concerned about the filter. No problems yet, but it feels flimsy. This is the ideal coffee maker. It does not take much counter space. Being small, it's easier to clean all parts after making a pot. It's simple to operate, just push one button to start or stop. 15 bar is the standard pressure to brew rich tasting espresso, ensure the best coffee flavors. With a visual temperature panel, easy to observe the water temperature. Remove the detachable tank and fill it with desired water. Do not put coffee powder which is too fine into the funnel, or the powder will leak out the funnel. The bottom of the machine is a movable cup holder. Not just small coffee cups, large coffee cups also can use this machine. Small size and elegant design suitable for your kitchen and tea room. Let you own a private cafe and meet your need for a high quality life. Last in our top 5 best espresso machine under $500 list is DeLonghi ECP 3420 espresso machine. It's so easy to use, and relatively mess-free. It is a bit loud, but that doesn't bother me. It works like a breeze, and produces consistently great pours with beautiful crema markings. The milk frother works wonderfully with any type of milk. Whatever your preference, single or double espresso, cappuccino or latte, the machine brews authentic barista quality beverages just like you enjoy at your favorite coffeehouse. 15 bar professional pressure assures quality results every time, and adjustable controls enable you to make modifications for your personal taste preferences. If you'd prefer a larger size beverage, no problem. The bottom tray of the unit is easy to adjust or remove to fit taller cups. The water tank is simple to remove, refill and reattach, and the water level is easily visible to eliminate the guesswork. With a sleek profile, compact design and narrow footprint, it fits beautifully on a kitchen countertop, without taking up too much space. Kindly review the user manual under product details for setup and usage related guidance and instructional video. The machine is equipped with double wall filters for high quality crema every time. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.